Hey guys, it's Otto. I have some Pokemon packs and My Little Pony Winemax. Start this Pokemon pack. This first Pokemon pack. Oh, come on. Come on. Open up.
Need help?
No, it's got it. Ah, see?
Yeah.
Now the next one. I wish I had a Dwebble one. I really want a Dwebble.
Yeah.
Because Dwebble is my favorite Pokemon. This one's squished.
Don't rip the cards now. Don't bend it up. Here, just go like this. Hold on. There you go. Now pull it out.
Ah, cool.
Whoa. What cards you got, dude?
You can't like to see this one. The sword. Cool.
Yeah. What else we got?
What is this guy's name?
Electrike.
Haha. This is a foiled.
Yeah.
This is NK's dive. This is NK's dive ball.
Yeah, cool, dude. Don't lose your cards now.
I know. Ah, I wish it was an EX. I wish I got an EX. Take that out of here. The sword again.
Is that the
Foiled.
foiled?
Let's get onto the blind bags. Come on, open up.
You need help? Go. Ooh, cherry spice.
Cherry spice. Ah! What's a brown?
She's cute, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you dropped them.
Spices. Get spices.
See?
Get spices.
Pepper dance.
Pepper dance. Pepper dance.
All right, now say, give me a thumbs up.
No.
You gotta
Thank
tell.
you guys and goodbye.
Do it again.
Thank you guys and goodbye.